In this part of the tutorial, we are going to see what is an extension function in Kotlin. So, before getting to this topic, in our previous blog, we have seen the declaration of functions in Kotlin and their usages. And also, we have gone through different other topics like loops, variables, and data types. And if you have missed those tutorials, I am providing the link in the description section below. You may go through them. That will help you in this particular topic. And if you are already having a good knowledge on function declaration and usages, then you can skip them and continue with this tutorial. So now I am going to explain you this particular topic with a simple example so that it will be easy for you to understand and remember. Here I am going to declare a variable a which has a value 10 and another variable b which has a value 20. So now let us try to add these two numbers using a general function declaration here. So calc is a method and here we are going to accept these two numbers of int data type, and here we are going to declare another variable result, and we are going to add these two numbers and save in the result variable, and we are going to print this particular variable. And now call the function from the main method by passing these two numbers, that is these two variables, and try to run the code now. No doubt we will be getting 30 as output here. So with the help of this example, I am going to explain you the extension function. So here you are passing two parameters a comma b here. So here instead of passing these two variables, by passing just one variable as a parameter, we can make the calculation happen. Here we will be using an extension function for making it. So let us remove this particular function and declare a extension function with the help of a int. So here int calculate, and here this is an extension function which will be accepting only b here, and now let us try to calculate it. Variable result equal to this plus b here. So you might be getting a doubt, what is this here? So let's add the print condition also and provide the result. Yes, so this will have the value of the variable which you are going to declare. So now let us try to call our extension function here, and now we are having only one parameter, so remove the a here and you can add the a here. Why? Because we have extended our function with int here, you can see. So we can pass any int variable here, not only a. If you have declared another variable c to be 30, you can also pass c here. It will accept any integer variable here as you have extended it with a int data type. So now let us try to run this code. 10 plus 20 is 30. You will be getting the same output again. So you may have a doubt, what is the exact usage? And it is comparatively similar to our previous one, right? We are passing two parameters and we are passing one parameter, but we are passing a also here. Okay, so I will clarify your doubt now. I am going to cut this particular function and I am going to add it in another file here. So let us consider this to be our constants file here. I am going to also rename this to constants file. So a constant file will be having the data which we will be using in our application, right? So anywhere in our application we can use those things. So here you can observe that we are not getting an error. Though we have moved our code to another file, still we are not getting an error here. So it is the main advantage of an extension function. Extension function provides the additional features to our existing classes without inheriting them. So we are not inheriting this anywhere in our code. You can see we have not provided any import here specifically, but still we are able to detect this calc method. So not only from the main activity, you can create any other class. Let us try to create a second activity, and here let's remove the class declarations and declare main method here, inside which we are going to declare two variables, d equal to 40 and e equal to 50. And now here also you can make use of the method which you have declared in constants, t dot calc e. So now let us try to run this code and you will be getting the output 90 here. So yes, you can access this particular method from any different files in your code. So we are extending our function with int here, so it will be getting detected when you will be using any int variable throughout your program. So you can call that particular method from anywhere else by making use of the int data type variable. So not only in the integers, we can create another function string, and here we are going to display a message onto the screen. And now currently we don't have any parameter, we are just going to display it onto the screen. So just provide a basic message, welcome to, and here we are going to add this keyword here. So this particular string which we are going to add, which we are going to extend in our method to our function, will be displayed in this particular print statement. So see how this works. Variable abc equal to, we are going to declare Kotlin programming, and we are going to call the function which we have declared in constants. Here we have declared a function, right, message. We are going to call this particular method here, abc dot message. That's all. So here the abc is Kotlin programming, and the message we have declared here, welcome to. These two will be printed onto our screen here. Let us try to comment this particular line because we are able to see the 30 in console. So welcome to Kotlin programming. So now I think you got a good idea of what is an extension function. So these are the basic examples. So this is it for this tutorial, and if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have missed my previous tutorials, I am providing the link in the description section below. And also if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.